morning, that is Mama. This is nose of the aeroplane. This is cockpit from where pilot control the plane. This is fuselage. This is main body of aeroplane. These are engine. Engine give power to fly. These are cabin where passengers sit. These are wings four sides. This help to keep plane in the air. These are flaps. This is aileron. This is tail of the plane. This is elevator. Elevator helps in turning and tilting. This is rotor. These are landing gears. Landing gear used during takeoff and landing. This is pilot. This is cabin crew. Next time you fly,